post-school experiences for young adults with IDD and pervasive support needs. The social issue that is being covered has to do with post-school success and meaningful outcomes for young adults with IDDs and pervasive support needs. In 2014, the Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act planned to increase the role of public vocational rehabilitation in the transition from school to adulthood and emphasize the development of individualized supports for those with the most significant disabilities. This would enable them to engage in post-secondary education and integrated employment. What this study shows after interviewing parents of those individuals with IDDs and pervasive support needs is that there is a heavy reliance on parental advocacy in order to succeed in what they believe is helping their children lead meaningful post-school lives. I believe it's easy to define this issue, however, solving it is a significantly more complicated task. The issue itself is how we create the most independent, meaningful post-school experiences for those with IDDs and pervasive support needs. Individuals with IDDs have seen success in post-secondary education programs, as well as vocational rehabilitation programs and employment working alongside direct support professionals. The issue lies in the fact that pervasive support refers to constant support in multiple environments across daily life skills. It's easy to see how this can be a challenge in comparison to those with less intensive needs. I chose this issue because there are children in my family with IDDs. After watching the documentary in class, it really made me think about what the future looks like and what the necessities are for young adults with more significant IDDs. The implications for social work practice include the critical importance of parents as advocates with the appropriate knowledge, resources, and experiences. If there are situations that parents do not have this information, it is imperative that they are armed with the appropriate tools to best advocate for their children. In order to lessen the impact on parents, we must continue to advocate for continued improvement in service provision from schools and adult agencies. As previously mentioned, we must at least provide the necessary education for both local and larger enterprises to make the best informed choices as it pertains to these agencies. We must also remember that the reliance on parental advocacy means we must take into account not only the young adult, but the attitude and environment of the parent as well. This issue can be addressed within larger society by advocating at the local, state, and federal government levels, as well as with private organizations to form cooperative relationships enabling effective strategy and building to provide the resources that are necessary for young adults with IDDs and pervasive support needs to lead successful and meaningful post-school lives.